What if I told you that the moon, our closest celestial neighbor, holds secrets that could redefine humanity's future in space? A place we've admired for millennia, a moon so close we can see its craters and mountains with our naked eye, might hold the key to colonizing the solar system: water. The moon has long fascinated mankind. Though humans first walked on its surface over 50 years ago, the mysteries of this desolate world remain largely unsolved. Its environment is harsh, alien, and dangerous. Yet scientists are captivated by one exciting prospect: the presence of water. But lunar water is elusive, often appearing where logic says it shouldn't exist, making it one of the greatest puzzles in space exploration. For nations worldwide, unlocking this secret isn't just scientific, it's strategic. Whoever masters it first stands to gain immensely. Where is this water hiding? How do we detect it? And how close are we to safely harvesting it? I'm Alex McColgan, and you're watching Astrum. Today, we trace the decades-long quest to understand the moon's water. The first hints came from the Soviet Lunar 24 mission in 1976. This ambitious robotic probe drilled 2 meters into the lunar surface and returned 170 grams of soil to Earth. Scientists were surprised to find water within the sample, around 0.1%, and discovered that its concentration increased with depth. Yet, as with earlier Apollo missions, these traces were dismissed as earthly contamination. The question lingered: is there really water on the moon? NASA's 1994 Clementine mission offered the first clue. Permanently shadowed regions, untouched by sunlight for billions of years, were discovered near the moon's south pole. These frigid craters, where temperatures never exceed minus 173 degrees Celsius, might preserve ice indefinitely. NASA's Lunar Prospector, launched in 1998, sought evidence of water and detected hydrogen at the poles, suggesting the potential for 10 to 300 million tons of water ice. Yet, hydrogen could also mean hydroxyl, a water-related molecule, leaving the mystery unresolved. Subsequent missions by Japan's Kaguya in 2007 and India's Chandrayaan-1 in 2008 pushed the search further. Chandrayaan-1 was revolutionary. It used an impactor to directly detect water vapor near the South Pole. The results confirmed the presence of water, later verified by the Moon Mineralogy Mapper. NASA followed with LCROSS and the Lunar Reconnaissance Orbiter, producing impact plumes and mapping hydrogen-rich soils. Settling the debate: yes, water exists on the moon. Today, estimates suggest about 600 billion kilograms of lunar ice, roughly the weight of 461 million cars. But how does water survive under the sun's searing heat, which reaches 127 degrees Celsius in daylight? The answer lies in shadowed regions and the moon's slight axial tilt. Many craters never receive sunlight, allowing ice from comet impacts to remain frozen for billions of years. Even more surprising, trace amounts of water have been found across the lunar surface, hinting at a subtle lunar water cycle that ebbs and flows with the moon's day. Water is more than a scientific curiosity. It's the oil of space. It can support life, fuel rockets, and reduce the enormous cost of transporting resources from Earth. Lunar water could make bases self-sufficient and space missions far more efficient. By 2030, nations including the US, China, and Russia aim to establish lunar stations near the South Pole, paving the way for permanent human presence. Beyond water, the moon is rich in resources, helium-3, rare earth metals, and abundant elements like iron, titanium, and aluminum could power future lunar industries and support off-world colonies. Harvesting these resources could revolutionize energy production, technology, and even construction on the moon. From early robotic probes to modern orbital missions, humanity's journey to uncover lunar water reflects our growing ambition in space. The moon is no longer just a distant wonder in the night sky. It is the foundation for humanity's next leap. And as nations and private companies race to mine its wealth, the moon may soon become a bustling hub of exploration, discovery, and opportunity.